In this video, I'll show you how to fix BlueStacks error code 2004. Something went wrong. Installation failed. Make sure you download this BlueStacks from the official website and run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Go to Search and type Storage Settings. Ensure you have enough storage. If not, go to Apps and Features to Unistyle apps that take up too much space. Click on the three dots next to an app and then select Unistyle. Now, in Storage Settings, click on Temporary Files. Take all the options and click Remove Files. Go to Search and type Check for Updates. Click on it. Click Check for Updates and install any available updates on your computer. Now, go to the search and type File Explorer. Go to BlueStacks and find the HD Player executable file. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the Run this program in compatibility mode and select a previous version of Windows. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administration. Go to the search and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as an administrator. Type SFC Scan Now and press Enter. And that's it. These methods should help you resolve issues with BlueStacks. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.